it's Rachel Camille back again. I've been having so many people ask me, how do I remove the product buildup after I take down my knotless braids? Guess what? I'm about to show you exactly how.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
So now I'm done taking down her knotless braids. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use a leave-in conditioner spray. You can use water or a water oil mixture if you like, whichever you prefer. Then I'm going to follow it up with conditioner. I suggest you be very generous with both products. The goal is to saturate the product buildup so that it can loosen up enough for you to detangle and then remove the buildup. So as you see, I'm doing it on the other part of her hairline as well. So I'm going to gently massage the product buildup until it becomes loose. So I'm doing a gentle massage and I'm going to finger detangle it, and I'm going to go back and forth between the two different motions until I feel like it's loose enough for me to begin using my comb to slightly comb through the product buildup. As you see, I'm combing through the product buildup. And once I feel like it's loose enough, then I'm going to go back and do a finger detangle and then comb out the remaining product. I'm going to continue that motion throughout the remainder of the hairline. What I've noticed is, since a lot of people like to use edge control, the majority of the product buildup is around the hairline.
15 minutes later.
So I'm done taking all the product buildup from around her hairline. Now I'm just detangling. I'm going to shampoo, condition, and send her on her way. She's all done. If you like this content, please comment, like, and subscribe. Peace.